Hello, students. How are you today? Are you okay? Okay. Oh, I hope you are okay. I am okay. Today we have a new video for math English lesson. I hope you could do the homework from last week and all the past weeks. And today we are gonna learn new lessons, a new contents. And as always, we are gonna talk about new vocabulary to make it clear in our notebook, and we are gonna work about word problems also. Okay, so we have two parts in this video. The first part, I want you to write one of my explanations in your notebook, and the second part, we are gonna make word problems in the workbook. Okay, in the workbook. So you can prepare your notebook and your workbook, okay? First of all, we are gonna learn about relationship between addition and subtraction. Can you repeat with me what I'm gonna say again? Please repeat. Relationship between addition and subtraction. Good job. Maybe you can already remember what does means relationship. You know, relationship. Okay, here maybe you have the subtitles. You can read. Relationships between is okay. Relationship between, it means something that is in the middle of two things. Okay, or is connecting two things. Okay, between addition and subtraction. Okay, there is a relationship between these two operations, addition and subtraction. And I'm gonna show you in my notebook how it works, this relationship. Okay, and I want you to write everything I write in your notebook also. So let's go to the notebook. About today's lesson. Okay, I want you to write relationship. What we have been talking about, relationship. This is relationship between addition and subtraction. Perfect. Okay, and here we are gonna make some examples. Okay, one example about addition first, and then about subtraction. First, let's talk about addition. Okay, when we have an addition, as we have learned already, we have 3 digits. Okay, in an addition, we have 3 digits. The first digit is the oggend. Okay, oggend. This is the oggend. And what is the oggend? The first number in the addition, or the number in the top of the addition. If we write in horizontal way, is the first number on our left. Okay, so in this case we are gonna use the example in the page 79. Okay, that we have the number 3,214 and is adding the second number, that is the addend. Okay, I want you to write this example in your notebook. And in this case, the addend is 2,143. Okay, 3,214 plus 2,143. And finally, you remember how to call the answer of the addition? Sum. Okay, sum. I think we have learned this already, so This time we can review. So let's do this addition together, please. 4 plus 3, 7, right? Yes. And then 1 plus 4, 10th place, 5. Then 2 plus 1, 3. And finally 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so we got the sum 5,355. Okay, now let's imagine that we have finished our addition and we are not sure if we have done a good job or not, if the answer, the sum is correct or not. So we can check the answer. Check the answer. How to check the answer? Look at the example in the page number 79, please. For check the answer, we are going to use an subtraction in this case. This is why we have a relationship between addition and subtraction. And how to do the checking answer with subtraction. First of all, we are going to use the sum. The sum we are going to write in the top of the in this case the subtraction. Okay, this is going to be the sum, and then we are going to use subtraction. Okay, in the second place we are going to use the addend. Okay, the addend, as you see, is still in the same place, in the second place. Okay, so you don't need to move anywhere. Boop. Okay, perfect. So basically now we have this subtraction. Okay, as you see here, this is a subtraction. I'm gonna put this a little bit bigger, okay, so you can see it clearer, like this. Okay, perfect. And this also, I'm gonna put it bigger. Yeah, like this. Perfect. So as you see here, we got the sum and we use as an agent, okay, as an agent in the first place of the subtraction. And then we are subtracting the addend, who is still in the second place. In the second line, we are writing this operation. So now we can do this subtraction and we have to get the agent as the answer of the subtraction, or the difference of this subtraction. Okay, this number that we're going to get here should be 3,214. Let's check that if that's correct or not. In case that we get this number as difference here, it means that we are correct. Okay, we have done this addition in the correct way. But if we get a different number that is not this number, 3,214, it means that this sum is not correct. Okay, so we have to do the addition again and then restart the process with the check answer. So let's do it together, please. First, we have 7 in one's place. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, how much is it? 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got 4. So we write number 4. In 10th place, 5 minus 4. 1. Okay. Then 3 minus 1. There are 2 left. Okay, no remainder also, so it's easier. And then 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, we got the number 3,214. Is this number the same than this number? Yes or no? 3,214 and 3,214. So we can say that this operation is correct. And this is how we use the relationship between addition and subtraction, in this case, to check the answer of an addition. Okay. Now let's continue, please. We can continue talking about subtraction. Okay, what happened? How we do when we want to check the answer of a subtraction. Subtraction. Everything this I want you to write in your notebook. Okay, I want you to write because it's very important content. And okay, I want you to correct when we go again to the school. So let's go with subtraction. This time subtraction, okay, this is addition. You can customize your notebook as you want, okay? And that way it would be funnier. You see, using different colors or underline, all you want, okay, to make it funny and easy to learn. What about the subtraction? We continue using the example in the page number 79, okay? In this case, we use subtraction. In a subtraction, we have three numbers, the same than in addition, and the number in the top is a minuend. Minuend. Okay, then the second number, this time we're going to do different, okay, is subtrahend. Subtrahend. Minuend minus subtrahend. And in the answer, we're going to get the difference. Difference, okay? So let's check one example about this. In the minuend, page number 79, we got the number 8,560 minus the subtrahend, that is 3,590. Okay, and let's check what is the difference. Okay, in one's place we got 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0. Wow, so difficult. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, 6 minus 9. As you know, 6 we cannot subtract 9 because 9 is greater than 6. So we need to borrow from 100 place, okay? This 5 becomes in 4, and this number becomes in 15, okay? Sorry, 16. So 16 minus 9, how much is it? 16 minus 9 equals 7, okay, 7. And then now hundreds place, 4, because 5 is already gone, okay? 4 minus 5, can we do it? We cannot, because 5 is greater than 4. Okay, so we have to borrow from thousands place, and this 8 becomes in number 7. Okay, number 7. So perfect. This number becomes in 14. Okay, so now 14 is greater than 5. We can do the subtraction. 14 minus 5, how much is it? 9, right? It's 9. So we can write here 9. And we have left just thousands place. 7 minus 3. This case we can do it. Okay, so 7 minus 3 equals how much? 4. Yes or no? Okay, so in this case, this example, the difference, let me color it to make it clearer. In this case, the difference is 4,970. Okay, but let's check if this answer is correct or not. Okay, because maybe we are wrong about this. Okay, and it's not this number is a different number, different difference. So let's check the answer. Same than before, check the answer. Okay, how to check the answer? Using addition, okay? In this case, checking the answer of addition, we used subtraction. For check the answer of the subtraction, we are gonna use addition, okay? How to use the addition in this case? So basically, first, same than here, okay? You see the sum, the answer of the addition we put in the top of the operation. This case is the same. The difference, okay, we put in the top of the operation. Okay, and then we make an addition. Then the number we're gonna add is the subtrahend, who is gonna stay in the same place. Okay, subtrahend. Here it is, subtrahend. Okay, so now the result of this addition should be the minuend. Okay, the minuend. We don't know yet if it's gonna be correct or no, but we are gonna try. Okay, we're gonna try. Okay, let's do the addition together, please. Ones place, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 7 plus 9 equals 16, right? Okay, 9 plus 1 equals 10 plus 5. 15, right? Okay, let's continue with the operation. Finally, okay, let's write here the small numbers. Okay, we carry 1 over, and here we carry 1 over. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 15. And 4 plus 1 equals 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, done. This we are gonna put blue color, okay? Blue color, perfect. And let's check if this minuend is the same that this minuend. The blue minuend and the red minuend is the same number, yes or no? This number is 8,560 and this number is 8,560. So it means that we have done right, it is correct, okay? So everything you can see here, since the date of today and till the answer of the subtraction, this addition, sorry, you're gonna write in your notebook, okay? To make it clear in your head, you can think about it when you're writing. What is the relationship between addition and subtraction when we use addition or when we use subtraction? Okay, how to use this relationship to check the answer. Okay, so now we are gonna move into the page number 82, and we are gonna make some word problems. Okay, just one of them, just one word problem. What I'm gonna write in this page, this is important, okay? Pay attention. Now, okay, I want you to look in your book. Okay, look at your book, page number 82, exercise number 1. Okay, page number 82, exercise number 1. I'm gonna write in my notebook because I cannot show you my book, but I don't want you to write what I'm gonna write in my notebook in yours, okay? You just write in your book. Just follow the reading, the explanation, and then the answer I'm gonna write in red color, okay? Only the part I write in red color in my notebook, you should to fill in your workbook, not your notebook, okay? What we have done until now, yes, you need to do it in your notebook. But this that we are gonna do now, I don't want you to work in your notebook, okay? You're gonna write just the red color in your book, okay? So let's do it. Page number 82, exercise word problem number 1. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go to my notebook again. And then now, I want you to read the exercise and I want you to follow the reading, and I'm gonna write the same way here. The statement of the word problem, you don't need to write, okay? But I'm gonna write and read the same time. So I want you to read the words I read together with me, okay? Let's get started. A public park has parking spaces available. Okay, a public park has parking spaces available for 500 cars. Okay, there's not a point here. Let's continue. There are 326 cars at the parking spaces. Okay, there are 326 cars at the parking spaces. Now the question, how many parking spaces are not in use at this time? Okay, and now we have 3 points to fill, okay? 1.1, that is what information is provided. Number 2, sorry, 1.2 is, this is a question, okay? Don't forget. What is the question? Question. And number 3, 1.3 is number sentence. 1.4 is answer. Okay, so let's little by little decode this word problem. In the word problem said there is a public park. Do you know what does it mean, a public park? I want you to underline this word in your book, okay? And I want you to write the meaning here, okay, up there. What does it mean, public park? Public park. Maybe you can see in the subtitles, okay? here. Okay, you have the translation in Thai, สวนสาธารณะ. Okay, I want you to underline this word public park and write the meaning here. Okay, and then a public park has parking spaces. What is a parking space? Parking space, this is another expression I want you to underline and look for the meaning. And finally, this word also available. Okay, in this word problem, I want you to underline 3 expressions and words and translate. 1, public park, 2, parking space, and 3, available. Okay, there are parking spaces available for 500 cars. Okay, and there are 326 cars at the parking space. So they are in these 500 cars, okay, that could be inside of the parking, there are only 326. So the question is, how many parking spaces are not in use at this time? Okay, so clearly we have to do a subtraction. 500 minus 326. Okay, so question number 1, how to answer this? About the information, okay, you need to fill all this sentence here, okay? And you have to write in your book. So I'm gonna put in red. Okay, you have to answer that this is the information given. We know that there is a public park with parking spaces available for 500 cars, but there are just 326 cars at the parking spaces now. Okay, now what is the question? Here is the question, okay? How many parking spaces are not in use this time? So you can write here the question, okay? This red color, so you have to write in your, in your notebook. And then number sentence, we have said that is a subtraction. Okay, so the number sentence is 500 minus 326. That equals, we don't know, so we can write a symbol. Okay, like for example, what? Let's look for a symbol. Square. Okay, square. Okay, like this, square. And then the answer, this is, you have to fill in your book, okay? And then the answer, I'm not telling you, okay? This is homework for you. All this. Okay, so basically today you have to do 2 things. The first is write all this page, okay, about the addition and subtraction relationship and how to check the answer. And I want you also to look for the meaning of these words that you have underlined and to fill the answers for question number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 that you are looking in red color. Okay, so that's all for today in this class. I hope you could understand my lesson and you could follow with the book and your notebook. And I hope you stay safe at home. I hope you can come to the school next week and we can continue learning there. But if it's not possible, we're gonna continue learning through these videos. Have a good day. That's all for today. Bye-bye.